Hello class, this is Stuttering in Children by Jenna Ray Sabatola. Do you know what stuttering is, what it does, or how it affects your speech? Better yet, can you tell me of a stressful or emotional time where you heard yourself stutter? Were you embarrassed and did you correct yourself? Today I'm going to show you what stuttering is and how it affects children throughout their younger lives. Normal disfluencies. Some normal disfluencies relating to young children are as they are listed. Normal disfluencies means speaking with disruptions, not being able to produce a sentence without being disformed. Developing disfluencies is a part of the whole deal. Stuttering is considered a disfluency in the first place. It is normal to say and well when it comes to a conversation. Almost everyone does it, all because of the body's way of connecting the mouth to the nerves. Speech flow is how fast and fluent one speaks. The speech flow can be how smoothly you speak without saying or using pauses. Some questions. Do you know of anyone who stutters? Is that person social or more so to themselves? If social, do they communicate well and is their speech flow understandable? Also, what is one question that you would ask to someone who stutters that would make you understand more what stuttering is all about? Stuttering neurogenic. Neurogenic stuttering is a type of fluency disorder in which a person has a difficulty in producing speech in a semi-normal or smooth way. Neurogenic means that it is caused by the nervous system. You have neurogenic speech when you are giving a speech in front of about 200 people. Neurological disorder is a disease of the brain, spine, and all the nervous system parts. For example, epilepsy and stroke, to name just two. Developmental stuttering. Individualized stuttering can be different for everyone. Some people may have troubles when it comes to the first syllable in words. Others may find difficulties to say the word aluminum. It's all categorized by how their body works. Predictable is when the children know what's going to happen. For example, the teacher asks if Robbie can color the soccer ball. A color. The teacher suggests him to color it red and tells the class that the color by saying and spelling it. Little does the teacher know, but Robbie has troubles with his R. So when he said the color, he said ed instead of red. Reducing stuttering can be displayed throughout therapy. Speech pathologists will go over the student's techniques to cure his or her stuttering throughout various activities. Note that therapy may not cure the child, but it will correct it somewhat and change how they say some words in their speech. Stuttering psychogenic. Psychogenic means dealing with feelings about something or how the body reacts. It is different from neurogenic. Complications are a follow-up from psychogenic disfluencies. For example, talking on the phone for a little kid may seem like they're talking to a monster. Therefore, they do not want to communicate on or with anyone. Overt speech is open and known without being told. And covert speech is just the opposite. Developmental stuttering is a very predictable that children will always be reminded of their stuttering problems even when they get older. Stuttering has its way of returning even after therapy. Stuttering, in fact, can happen at any time in someone's life. Do you not have to be a certain age to stutter? However, stuttering usually is a large milestone in someone's life. When it happens, it usually affects everything. Developmental stuttering definition. There are disruptions in the fluency or verbal expression. That being said, verbal expression, such as being excited over a great grade on a test or being upset that you lost your favorite crayon. Repetition is one of many characteristics associated with stuttering, repeating after others or themselves. Anomia is a word-finding problem. Children who know what a pencil is but stutter on it can develop anomia when naming the object. Prolongations are another characteristic. When a child is stuttering, maybe they will drag out the word it made the sound as they have no stuttering problems. An example is doggy, but making it sound like doggy. Developmental stuttering facts. About 85% of all cases begin during the preschool years. Also, more boys than girls stutter. Higher prevalence for twins when it comes to stuttering, and also people who are bilingual are most likely to have a stuttering problem. Stuttering and language. Stuttering affects language and affects stuttering. Everything associated with language is always affected. Sign language. Sign language is one language that anyone who has any speech deficits can use. The American Sign Language provides every word in any language with a sign that means exactly the same. Therefore, if the little children do not want to say a word, they can always sign it. Therapists always look for any signs of communication as possible. 2-minute summary. From what was just presented to you, what information did you collect throughout the presentation? Form a paragraph summary on stuttering in children. The end. Thank you.